Hey everybody, in today's gameplay I have added some gun cam footage. I'm sorry if it was poorly edited, it's my first time, cut me some slack. The game you are watching was recorded on April 10th, 2016 at Black Cobra Airsoft Field, Redwater, Alberta. The objective of this game was to capture all 3 respawn points. At the point in the video you are watching now, we had already captured 1.
It's at the top of the hill.
As you can see here, everybody had 2 medic strings. As soon as you untied one, you were back in the game.
Thank you, finally.
That's 2?
That guy.
He's got actually, they're not even saying.
Okay, got his foot. Good, got him. Got him. Buddy. Oh, you're getting revived.
Yeah.
What we're waiting for. Okay, so we got the one there, right? There's one dead ahead up there.
There's not a player.
Yep, there is.
Not if it's spawn.
It's at Hill 69.
Let's go.
That's not their spawn. Their spawn's over there, I think. Let's go for it.
Let's go.
And shortly after that I got shot. That was basically the end of it for our team. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave some feedback in the comments on whether or not you like the new editing layout, if you like the gun cam videos or not. I mean, I'm just trying to do this for you guys, so yeah. I'd also like to apologize for not uploading last Sunday. Hopefully that will never happen again. I just had some computer issues. Next Sunday I will be uploading a new intro, and after that a new gameplay. See you then.